Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're just gonna be doing like a pretty chill, just like pack opening real quick. I don't want to spend too much, but I got this box. This was about 60 bucks. It's the Shrouded Fable shit or whatever. I don't know. And then I just like picked this up. This one was like 25, so I spent about maybe like $80, I'd say. Just on these alone. I did get two just basic packs that I opened. Nothing really crazy in there. I just wanted those for just to open. I started this one because it's just like a little cheaper, so I just wanted to get this one. God damn, why is this so fucking hard to get open? Throw that to the side. How does it open? So it already it comes with Lucario, or I don't know how to say it. I'm a fake fan, bro. Comes with these two cards. This is a pretty cool character, and I like these cards. I'm gonna put these to the side. And then it also comes with the comically large big card of a copy of one of the smaller ones. So I'm just gonna put those to the side, and then in addition to those, comes with 4 packs. We got a Lost Origin, 2 Lost Origin, a Fusion Strike, or 2 Fusion Strikes, and that. There's that. If everyone wants that shit. And then this random thing. This is pretty cool. Let's just open the Fusion Strikes first. Okay. Boom. That. So I did see someone go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put it on bottom. I think that should be it. Okay, so we got Energy, Farewell Bell. We got a Ninetales. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. Got Ninetales, basic card. Mandy Buzz, okay. Chewtool. Flink. Skitty, what the hell, bro? Slugma. Okay, alright. Gligar. Got a Reverse Hollow Ungly and Clay Doll. Nothing good from that. That was kind of a bust. I'm just gonna make a pile of the shinies and the reverse hollows right there, and the rest of the cards I'm just gonna put over here. Alright, let's open up this other Fusion Strike. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, I think I did this wrong. Oh shit. We got a Gengar V, not an EX, but it's like the second best thing to it. That's pretty good. I'm gonna put this off to the side. And I did this wrong for some reason. I got that, and there's Reverse Hollow right there. Since I already got the 2 rares or whatever, I'm just gonna nothing. I suck at this. This is my first time, bro. So you have to bear with me real quick. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3, 4 on bottom. It's supposed to be that. Poliwrath, okay. Oh, we got a shiny or reverse hollow trainer. That Loki could be good. Poliwag, yeah, Oddish, Loki, Fire Breath. Really see that lamp. They have a lamp in the game. All right. Or show game, all the above. I don't know what the fuck that is. Damage pump. Bro, I've seen this before. And energy, okay. I don't know how I keep doing these wrong. Energy. Gloom. Fuck. Why do I suck at this? What the fuck? Riley. Electric. That guy looks like he could do something crazy, bro. Slugma. Another C dot. Got one of those things. Oddish. I'm seeing a lot of the same things. Poliwag. Ooh. Wait a second. You got a Snorlax. Wait, this is a crazy shiny one. See, it's like a rainbow. This might be pretty rare. Actually, I really like that one. I'm gonna try to keep that one. Okay. Now we're gonna open the Shrouded Fable Elite Trainer box. So this is pretty expensive, but it has a lot. So I got a knife or something. Alright, come. There's like this stupid fucking thing. Got a player's guide. Don't care. This might be like a. I don't even fucking know. Okay. So we got. It's all Shrouded Fable, but I think there's 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs. Comes with these weird things, some dice, a couple coins. I think this is all the energy cards. It comes with this thing. And then maybe some sleeves. And a code. Here we go. Looks like a cooler code. Alright, we got 9 packs. let's start going through them. Funny looking code. 2, 3, 4. Is this a reverse hollow stadium trainer card? Reverse hollow Sneasel. Okay. My god. Shiny your sailor thing. Reverse hollow basic energy. What is this pack? This pack is crazy. I've never seen that guy before. Houndoom. That's pretty cool. Joltik, Sigalon, Anslon, and Malamare. So we got a couple good like shinies in here. Where are they? We got a couple like reverse hollows and shinies and shit. So I'm gonna put those off to the side just in case they might be worth something. Here, this pack I'm gonna use to figure out how to do the actual thing. So we got Persian, Grunk, another one of these, Rowlet, the Wing, got a little trainer. 2 cards here. This is just a thick card, what the heck? Verse Hollow. Okay. I'm seeing something shiny behind this. Ooh, first EX. Is that fucking like Lifesaver Gummy Ring? Like, the fuck? Basic energy. Huh. This one's pretty cool. Oh, there's like stars and shit on it. Like, I don't know if the camera can see it. There's like stars. That's fire, bro. Huh, I don't know what this card is. I've never seen that. Toxicroak. Okay. Eevee. Varoom. Is that like, what is this, bro? Squid vacuum cleaner. Blinding Moochie. Another Malamare. Little spider. Ooh, wait a second. Is that a reverse hollow iron moth future? That's pretty cool. Little reverse hollows, whatever the fuck. Another one. And yeah. Not bad. This box is having some pretty good luck. I don't know what the chase cards are, or like, I don't know. I'm just hoping for some cool stuff. I got, this one doesn't want to open. What the fuck? This one's not fucking opening. What the fuck? What am I doing now? Okay, got another one of these for fools. The Toxic Croak. Oh, Moweth. Actually, really like this card. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Okay. Academy. Ooh. Oh, looks cool. Night Stretcher. Okay, reverse hollow Dust Skull. Put that off to the side. Ooh, Sneasel. Ooh, going crazy. And then reverse hollow Energy. Okay. There's a code. Zubat. Houndar. He's pretty cool. Another Rowlet. Another Power Glass. Different Cobat. Trainer. The same trainer, but it is reversed. Ooh. Ancient Slither Wing. That's a cool card. Copper Jaha. And the basic energy. Okay. Another Sneasel, another Vacuum motherfucker, Hypno. That guy has a pretty cool design. Got a Trainer, Oh, we get a reverse hollow Stuffle. Oh wow, whoa. Dusknoir. It has like a cool like Halloween thing. That's pretty cool. I'll put that. Okay. I'm gonna see if there's a card guide in here. Horsey, Dusclops, Beware. That's kind of funny one. Oh, I just got spoiled. I didn't see what the card was, but it was a shiny, I'm pretty sure. Houndoom, Rowlet, Fracture, Persian, we got the evolved one, Trainer, Hypno, got a shiny or fucking something, Zorg. Oh, I saw like this and I thought it was something crazy. I was mistaken. We got one pack left. Come on. Get some crazy luck. Okay, come on. Give me something. We got Houndog. Another Beware. Another Sneasel. Nice Stretcher. Oh, fuck, I'm grabbing so many cards. Oh, shit. Okie Dog Doggy EX. This has a double star. Huh. Okay. So this is our pile of shinies and stuff. Just like the kind of like mid ones. And then this is the pile of the dog shits that you can't really do anything with. Like all the energies and just basic cards. So these are gonna probably be locked away, never to be seen again. Got a fuck ton of codes. Also never gonna be seen again. these things. These are not very thick. So I'm gonna put a couple of like these super rare ones in here. Oh, the Snorlax. This one's fire, and it feels thick. But I don't want to like. I don't know. Maybe that's because it's like awesome.
Red eyes, big thighs.